Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 23, 1921. The divine will renders the soul little. Luisa is the littlest of all. As I was in my usual state, I found myself outside of myself together with Jesus, and I said to him,
"My love, I want to let you hear what I do in order to enter into your will, to see whether you like it or not." So I said what I usually say when I enter into his will, which I don't think it is necessary to say here since I have said it elsewhere. And Jesus gave me a kiss, approving with his kiss of what I was saying to him. And then he said to me, "My daughter, my will has the special virtue of rendering souls little, making them become so little that they feel the extreme need for my will to administer life to them. Their littleness is such that they are unable to do one act or take one step if my will does not administer to them the act or the step. So they live completely at the expense of my will, because their littleness carries no baggage, either of their own things or of love of self. But they take everything from my will, not in order to keep it for themselves, but to give it to me. And since they need everything, they live dissolved in my will. Listen. I went round the earth over and over again. I looked at all creatures one by one in order to find the littlest of all. Among many I found you, the littlest of all. I liked your littleness, and I chose you. I entrusted you to my angels so that they might keep you, not to make you great, but to preserve your littleness. And now I want to begin the great work of the fulfillment of my will. Nor will you feel greater because of this. On the contrary, my will make you smaller, and you will continue to be the little daughter of your Jesus, the little daughter of my will."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.